how to know when you are an asset. And I want to say that because I know a lot of brothers out there who are out there on the grind, working for others, and they work hard, like hard workers. And people tend to talk bad to you or say something out the way. You're like, man, I'm work busting my butt. You know what I mean? And and you have to do certain things because you got a family or you on parole or you trying to pay a bill or you like, man, I got to keep this job right now, whatever community you in. I get it. But that doesn't mean you're not an asset, man. And companies will use the fact that they feel like we in this small area, we in this place, you need this job, you need this, you have to do this. And they feel like they can pretty much talk to you how they want to talk to you. I mean, some of them even feel like you need to conform to their way of living. Like you need to even live like us. What? The game is crazy, man. I just wanted to say this: you are an asset. Once you realize you can do the job, you don't need nobody holding your hand. If they say, "Hey, I need this size of a well in here," you can go and provide it. If it needs to be installed, if you're a field guy, you know how to do that. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you are an asset, man. You might just need to leave that area you in. Just to be honest, I had to do the same thing, and you know what? That that keeps a lot of us back because we be scared to leave home or the place where we was born or close by. You know, we want to stick close, and that's how they get us, bro. Man, let it go. If you got to go 1,000, 2,000 miles away, man, to be able to live a better life, then do that, bro. I was born in Arkansas, born in Little Rock. I'm out here in Phoenix right now. I don't have no friends, no family. I don't know nobody. I didn't like call, hey, bro, I'm gonna come out here and mess with you. I didn't do none of that. I just said, hey, I looked up the city, checked out the area where I wanted to go, checked out the RV park, all that. And like, okay, this is what we're gonna do. Made some calls, came, checked it out, and here I am, 2 years later. So you can't be scared to actually walk on water, as they say. You know what I mean? It's possible. It's possible. Just don't think about what you're doing. Just do it, man. Just do what you need to do and make that, leap of faith. But you are an asset. If you can be able to hold your own, you're an asset. If you can be able to go to work on time without someone pushing you, hey, man, it's time to go to work, you're an asset. You there 10, 15, 20 minutes. Some people there 30, 40 minutes, an hour ahead of time just to get their mind right. Normally, I get there. I'm going to be real with you. Normally, I try to get there at least 15 to 20 minutes, 25, maybe 30 minutes, you know what I'm saying, at the most. And I sit down, drink my coffee, and think if I got something, you know what I'm saying, I got to do. So I get that. But you're an asset, man, if you can do the job. So I get it if you're in a situation where, things are tight or you in school right now, you say, hey, I just got to pull it through this and then I can make my move. Whatever you need to do, man, it's cool. But you got to have enough faith. You got to have enough strength within yourself to say, hey, I'm going to do what it takes to get my family or get myself to this next level. You know what I mean? Hey, I was in a little town, bro. I learned in a little town, no lie, I think, man, Newport couldn't have had no more than 10,000 people there. You know what I mean? So I'm in this little town that I capitalized off of. I learned, man, it was so much field work that I got a chance to do. Shop work I got a chance to do. A lot of fabrication, you know what I mean? It's a steel mill there. It's a port. So it's a lot of, it's money there. It's work. It's factories. So I learned a whole lot in that small place. And I took it to the city. And I'm getting paid more now. Like, no lie. Like, I know they ain't eating how I'm eating right now. So that's cool. And I like that because I was able to capitalize off of that small situation, bring myself to another situation from Kansas City to Denver, and now I'm here to be able to eat. So just keep that in mind, man, when you're on the grind. Hog on.